and I like my flock to feed and look fine.
And what it really involved at first was just driving around rural Perthshire, having conversations with lots of different farmers and people that have a different relationship with the land, a relationship with working the land, a relationship with living off the land, and asking questions, having conversations, but mostly about some of the challenges that are facing agriculture just now, how the industry's changed, how the way of life has changed over the last 20, 30, 40 years, and how it might change in the future with things like Brexit or even climate change. And so it's real people's words that make up the sort of body of the play text, the words that are spoken on stage. There's also going to be songs, there's also going to be singing, there's jokes. We hope that it's also quite light and fun and has quite a sort of celebratory community feel, as well as having lots of quite important and interesting topical discussion underpinning it all. It's performed by two amazing performers, Melody Grove and Ali McRae. And we're very, very lucky to have them because they're brilliant and beautiful musicians as well. And I'm pretty sure that spending an hour in their company is going to be quite a rewarding thing for any audience.